Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Moore from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for August 16th, 2020. Hope everyone's enjoying their weekend so far. Let's take a quick look at how things finished off on Friday. A bit of a mixed close, and really, it was a very, very quiet day overall. By the end of it, the Dow was higher by 34 points, pretty much ending the week where we started it. The S&P 500 down half a point, or 0.02%. Again, pretty much finishing the week where we started. The Nasdaq down 23 points, while the Russell was lower by almost 2 points. So fairly quiet week overall. Bonds continue to pull back here now at a fairly significant level of support. We'll see if they can bounce from here. Crude oil was flat as well, and has been for quite some time. I mean, this has been a sleeper now for several weeks. Sooner or later we'll break out, but we'll have to keep an eye on that. Gold was lower by another 16 points, and could be setting up here for another move to the long side this week. I'd keep an eye on this for the RSI to close back above the 50 line, and then a move back to those highs and beyond. The USD CAD pair bouncing a little on Friday, but had a pretty tough week, as did the dollar overall continues to pull back. If we broaden our scope here and look at the different ETFs for the different sectors, starting with energy here, XLE, still having a very difficult time getting above that cloud, and really looks like it wants to break down here and retest the March lows. But again, energy has been in a sideways pattern here for a few weeks now. XLK bouncing a little, trying to get back to those highs at 115.57. Momentum still there. XLU just has gone silent here for a couple of weeks now. We'll see if we can get another long setup there soon. XLY, consumer discretionaries, hit a new high on Thursday before a slight pullback on Friday, but still looking very, very strong. As is XRT, which is the retail sales sector. Very, very close to those all-time highs. XLC, the communication ETF, dropping early in the week, but then making it back, while the real estate sector has gone quiet as well. Boy, I apologize. I have done so many different things to try to get rid of this error. If any of you are techies out there and can figure this out, please let me know. I will try to carry on without this. Let's see. XLF, the financial sector, and a bit of a retracement here, but we could be getting a long setup soon here as we have momentum to the upside. The 20 has come through that cloud with slope, and any setup here, and I think we'll find some support right around 24.5. If we can bounce from there, first target would be this high here, and then from there I think we go to 31, which is the high. XLV, healthcare sector has gone silent here, but now is hovering around that 20. We could break out to the long side again there any day now. XLP, consumer staples, just continue to run here. And what else do we have? XLI, industrials pulling back slightly, but has been doing quite well. And materials, last but not least, materials, putting in a new high early in the week and pulling back very, very slightly here. Has gone a little silent, but has lots of support behind it. So I would expect that to hold and potentially continue going higher. Now, if we look at the week ahead, as far as news is concerned, on Monday, we have the housing market index. That's really the main one. On Tuesday, we get building permits, housing starts, and the Red Book report. While on Wednesday, we get the NBA mortgage apps number. We also have crude oil inventories and the FOMC meeting minutes. So we'll see if there's any different language in there, but I think we pretty much all know that rates should remain low for quite some time here. Thursday, continuing jobless claims. We had a slight downtick in those numbers this past Thursday, but they're still hovering close to 1 million jobless claims per week there, which is pretty ugly. What else do we have here? The Philly Fed index on Thursday as well, and then Friday we get manufacturing PMI, and we get existing home sales number on Friday. So a few reports to look forward to there. A few earnings straggling in, but for the most part here, as I go back to my main screen here, we're looking for the Dow to potentially find support at this high and then catch up to the other equity indexes here and make a move to the highs. The S&P 500 is within a whisper there. It should hit it this week, and the Nasdaq just continues to roll while the Russell is looking a lot more like the Dow these days. But just a quick reminder, tomorrow we do have another live market chat. We kick off at 1 p.m. Eastern. I hope to see you there, but that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.